Sex is something defined at the day one the newborn infant is born. Gender is a social role, and sexual orientation is something whom you are attracted to. So, on the day one the baby is born, so if the baby is having the very kind of stereotypical male reproductive organ, the baby was labeled as male. On the day one, if the baby is with female reproductive organ, I mean the stereotypical female reproductive organ, the baby is labeled as female. If the baby is born with ambiguous genitals, I mean like unclear genitals, which we cannot fit into the stereotypical heteronormative binary genders, so their reproductive organ may either it may not look like a male reproductive organ nor a female reproductive organ, then the baby is called as intersex baby. So not all intersex conditions are visible at the birth. We believe men with men are with XY chromosome. So we believe men are with XY chromosome, and we believe women are with XX chromosome. The chromosome of intersex babies may differ from XXX or XYX or XXY. So there are like 14 plus intersex conditions which were recorded so far. So sex is something decided during our birth. You never decided to be born as a male, nor a female, nor intersexed. Whereas gender is a social role which we can choose. It's not about choosing it. It constitutes of psychological attributions, sociological attributions, cultural, etc., etc. So basically, we don't know the difference between sex, gender, and sexual orientation. Gender is it's a role, kind of a social role, whereas sexual orientation is whom we are attracted to. Attraction in the sense, it is like emotional, physical, and romantic, whereas sex is something by birth we define baby as male, female, and intersex. Gender, of course, it's a role. I said it constitutes of sociological attributions, psychological attributions, etc., etc.